The Taichung Power Plant. The Taichung Power Plant, located in Longjing District, Taichung, Taiwan, stands tall as the world's largest thermal power station by installed capacity. Here is a deeper dive into its impressive stats and some intriguing facts. Capacity and generation. Total installed capacity, 5,788 megawatts, megawatt. Fuel source, primarily coal, with some gas and wind generation units. Generation breakdown. 10 coal-fired steam turbine generators, each with a capacity of 550 megawatt, totaling 5,500 megawatt. 4 gas-fired combined cycle generators with a capacity of 1,300 megawatt, totaling 5,200 megawatt. 4 wind turbines with a capacity of 3.6 megawatt each, totaling 14.4 megawatt. Size and impact. Land area, approximately 277.5 hectares, 686 acres. Coal consumption, about 14.5 million tons annually. Electricity generation, supplies about 10% of Taiwan's total electricity demand. History and development. Construction began in the 1980s to support Taiwan's economic growth and industrial development. The first 4 coal-fired units were commissioned in 1991 to 1992, followed by 4 more in 1996 to 1997. 2 gas-fired combined cycle units are currently under construction and expected to be operational in 2024. Environmental concerns. As a coal-fired power plant, Taichung is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. The Taiwanese government has implemented regulations to reduce coal consumption and emissions from the plant. There are ongoing debates and plans for transitioning towards cleaner energy sources, including natural gas and renewable energy. Interesting facts. Taichung Power Plant was the first in Taiwan to undergo an environmental impact assessment before construction. The plant site also includes a park and recreational facilities for the public. Taichung is a popular spot for bird watching, with over 200 species recorded in the area.